Hi my friends, it's me, Patrick from Munich-Ai again. So in this video I want to show you one of my most favorite strategies. You can get the settings for free in this video. Please watch it till the end. This bot I'm talking about is DEGO USDT. DEGO USDT has achieved me from end of February until today really good profits, like 200 USDT for example. Of course I will show you the coin itself, if I put it on a daily time frame. Why I like it so much is because we always have like this little peaks up and the coin is quite stable sidewards. Even we are still in a bear market. You remember the time before 2023, it was really going down more for Bitcoin, but this coin was quite sidewards and stable, and I was trading it already a long time ago. Of course, on 21 till 22 it was going also down, but there's always like these peaks where you get out of the position. So what makes this strategy special for this coin? With our ultimate backtester, I found out that there's a really nice way to getting like really daily profits with this coin. So watch this, let me check the settings. So with the settings, you can see like almost daily you get a lot of trades, like a lot of wins, like 10, 28, 13, and so on. So that's why I have the base order 50, the safety order 50, and you can also use 10. The take profit is 4, the max safety trades count is 10, price deviation 1, safety order volume scale 1, and safety order step scale also 1. This is just a range of downfall of 10%, of course, but with the volume scale, of course, we're moving down the average price quite strong. And the special thing is like the RSI. In the last video, please watch it if you haven't, I have explained like the deal start condition RSI, which is really important in this bot. So if we put it on as soon as possible, you will see directly what happens. We were stuck in trades and make no profit during this day, because there was like a long time ago, maybe a big candle, and the bot stepped into the trade directly. So therefore, we start with the RSI and with the value 30 and length 7. So because then the base order will only hit once the RSI is going into the going out of the oversold area, so mainly up. So therefore you're getting mostly like good trades. Sometimes it stays a while and you close with more safety orders, but in general this bot goes quite fast in and quite fast out. And that's why, because DEGO is also going sideways and right now up, is it a really good opportunity to start this bot. But please also do your own research. I do not recommend using it with your complete capital, and I'm not, of course, taking any risk, but I hope you like the strategy. If so, please give me a thumb up, like this video, share it, and if you want, you can also get this backtester to check which are the best profitable coins. If you go on Munich-Ai.com in the shop, you will find the backtester for yourself. I've also programmed in the RSI with the crossing in and crossing up and crossing down. But if you're not familiar with this e-commerce, you can also book my service and I will help you to set everything up properly. So thank you very much. I hope you liked the video. And if you have any questions, visit our Discord. I will be happy to help, and I will also update from time to time how my strategy is doing. I posted today also the stats you can check out on the Discord. So thank you very much. Have a nice evening and see you soon. Bye bye.